Hello everyone, today we're looking on a problem which is called find the longest common prefix given a list of words. Okay, so for example we have a list of words and they are megabyte, megaton, meg, and the expected result, the common prefix is meg. So we can use horizontal scanning here. So basically we accept as first element of the list megabyte as the prefix, and then we keep looking on the rest of elements, and basically we keep slicing, we slice not used characters from their prefix. For example, here looking on megaton, we see that byte is not used, so we slice the prefix to mega, and here on the second element of the array we just on the third element we just slice away the a, and we have meg. Okay, so I'll show how it works. Declare our solution here. Okay, let's run it. Okay, test is false, so let's jump to our solution. So let's init our prefix to the first word. Okay, and now we need a loop for e in range I1 len list word is equal to list at index I. Okay, and we check. In Python we have this method which is called find. So while word find prefix not equal to 0, we just keep slicing the prefix. So basically here what we do, find method will show you the index where your slicer string is encountered. So here we are trying to find at which index we have prefix slice encountered in the board. So basically, and we keep slicing the prefix until we encounter it. Okay, and we need to check if prefix, if length of prefix is equal to 0. It means that we sliced away all the prefix. So basically, this we haven't encountered this prefix at all in the current word, and we want to return empty string. Okay, and in the end we want to return prefix. Let's execute it. Okay, it doesn't work. Why? Let's find out. I before assignment. Yeah, here we need to assign element at index 0. Okay, let's execute it. Okay, the test is true. We have our prefix meg. So let's the time complexity here is linear because we need to look through the all array and through all characters of array. So and here is a sum of all characters of all words of the list. Okay, and space here is basically yeah, we allocate this prefix and that's it. So I think we can argue that the space is constant. Okay, let's look how it works in Debug. Okay, given this a list of words, megabyte, megaton, meg, we assign a prefix is equal to megabyte now, and we start from the element at index 1, which is megaton. Okay, so word is megaton, and we find if word megaton, if we can find word megabyte in megaton. We can't, because they are completely different words. So we just keep slicing. We slice away. We see in prefix we don't have megabyte. We have megabyte without e already. We sliced away one character from the right. Okay, and we keep looping. We keep finding this prefix. Again, we need to slice away. Again, we need to slice away. And you see, we sliced away already a lot of characters. Now it is meg up. Slice the B away. And now we will exit from the loop, because the word megaton contains mega. So the find method will return 0. So again, the find method will return index at which this word has been found. Okay, so we exit away from this loop, and we go to another word, which is meg. Okay, now we see the word meg, and the prefix is mega. Can we find mega in meg? No, we can't. Meg is actually shorter, so we just keep slicing our prefix. Sliced away, you see, and the prefix now is meg. Now we exit, because we have found meg inside meg, and we return our result. Okay, good. And if we, for example, if we have some word here, some different word with no matching prefix here, let's try this actually. And we so let's look how it works. We have our megabyte prefix, and we keep slicing megabyte to have mega. Now we exit the loop. So for megabyte, megaton, the common prefix is mega. Good. But now we have this word cap. Okay, and it doesn't have any common prefix with all the previous words. So basically, can we, again, we check, can we find cap inside mega? No, we can't, so we keep slicing. You see actually, no, vice versa, we are looking if we find prefix meg inside cap word. So basically, we keep slicing. You see, prefix is becoming smaller and smaller. It is already me. Can you find it me inside cap? No, slice. And it is m. It is only one character. Can you find m inside cap? No, we can't. So keep slicing. And now you see the prefix length is 0. So you just return empty string. We can't find any common prefix here. Okay, good. Again, the time complexity here is linear, and space complexity, I believe it is constant, because we have only one. If we store only prefix, and prefix, the worst case can be one word. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.